Enti efa basa e happen e wa Blakema North constituency black call by election. Anyone kwana for ebu as na owo hene eye Okatakyie Afrifa mensa boy because a day before that election day there was a free for any some blue army guide e the moto e call for Blakema hono as e call yes some display bi near there but ade chin no am for chem say every for ama upon me say nyina wa nsi hono but every for abachire nsi mu die ntia Blakema hono wama na fe Malik Basintale a wo insight youth no ema omuko ye sebi engwase ade we no Afrifa abe clash with Malik Basintale na we eye beef no ahyase endokwa no okon no we eye na ahyase ayi Penyah block media mess was say any demo over like video no under my subscribe button some back keep notification for latest update na ba kire wa join dia mama e wo comment section mess was over so no achieve no for so enya bi ahwe enti following the by election acquire our Blakema North constituency we catch us say 2 days before election ana Malik Basintale ebe ye video ana all commanding the 5k men the 3k men is activate body cam say before ye ke e be ke what I say Friday me ba mu so mo ba na Friday me Basintale me ba mu be na aridu na say me ba na MP before nim na say ye ticket ya ba ya ayazo me see ye ticket ya ba ya na ya ticket ya ba na ya ticket ya ba enu echina ade chinye ye won say blue army guide MP for so for me ade friend blue army guide every family squad go na Blakema hono mo mo ga so so me ma ade chin omumra ya twa omumra
okay Ghana for me say mon kanje Basintale say was here ya kra obeya krekre say ya krekra obeya krekre obetia ni gumaya na aboya nyina enti say wonimo obeya kra ni no omunyan no mo oni na komia anya sa me say ye beti nkate anya bi nwe ye be boma na hye enti message ye dey ma dondro mani mama ye dey ma danka William so on kanje ndi for say so omunim aso we ma do so meje ya me say so omunim owu o munya dai o mo hwe na a word to the man is in Libya. What do you move on? Hey, mama.
ya amado se be me bia no kroma omu emra e masa de ko ye kwa no blue army guide no ene Malik Basintale squad no omu e clash e wo Blakema constituency no e mada de na it was fun it will be an say at the chia election be peaceful because even team men cry meeting no more cheer up. I say, there may be a arm. No, it's a people are planning on it. Or planet. In fact, I got trouble out of nowhere. MPP National Deputy Organizer. Squad the Echo Bono. Emma, Miss Hawa Koomson. I'm all for because to share Suma, Sebi, can you have with Yanka Omukuno, Edun to Hono?
Why are they doing that?
As me by Malik Basintale or command the youth, because on the one who's a yabo Hawa Koomson, who's a Hawa Koomson. And some get a gas on the way who Tango computer, because on there, and young people for Nana, Abo, Hawa Koomson. The young as the NDC tag now because Kofun Bayano, Lumun Shah, Fadi Bia, and just me NDC for, or the council later. And Kofuna on bone and other council, or me NDC for. It issue in a happy piano. Then the pa and this body we as an any free for no when I went to measure Hawa Koomson upon or turn online be to be in every far way. Every for other response uncle feeling and so more can I say I don't know one more bet him. Now it's Malik Basintale, I say. What then your born house for Henny? I already program and every far I can see a chance over ye. Now said ye, I born and train dear and canatono. Conform come back on some 9. A year they are poor base and a poor is added the Ghana, a betchen war zone.
Now your mama Musa question. 2 minutes become on someone nothing. Tina made 2 Basintale for. Basintale, you are young. You'll be in politics for long. And when you want to be in politics for long, is this the nonsense you want to do? Enra, who we are, Enra, no one can say one grounds. Odi nkwasesem we the day before no instructing microphone boys no. So the boys no kwa the day before. Ono ankasa anko ground so. O we ya no otena flight mu. And I know kase wo the Dubai wo juju ne ho. Wo the Dubai juju ne ho. And ne Basintale to me twa on flight tell no ko. And no for VIP. And wo call na mamema flight or fire you know. Flight number. Me ma bibia come. Eti Basintale de Emirates Airlines. Flight number EK 788. I call UAE Dubai. Go to 1819. That is 619. And or straight. And I'm not going to Basintale. One man conform ko Jimmy and on the only Etikati Jacker. On one with a crack and one year walk. Basintale go Dubai, or Dubai Minocas. Or the Wakanga. I know John or church on same social media. Say, I Basintale, I will be here. Will you be here? Will you be here? No, so much flight tomorrow. Kokora. We just motor phone. Na Basintale the motor na year. One more win election year. Basintale to Jeep Alebo na Basintale. You win election year yo. Enrich year. Basintale to Jeep Alebo while customizing Basintale. Enrich year. Obey si when wabusan se ni pay yes. It when you scan free. Basintale nya sika free on ya to Jeep while Alebo na Basintale. O ma dwini mo henti. No mo hunu sika denti. Sika no kura from. Na ka ya public servant. How Basintale ya beto be ya no use Highlander that dem. Mokaya. And ya to be we to Jeep while Alebo na Basintale. Aso ko kasisi agana fo nbeka so wagimi. Wo no wo bisa se wonya sika wo he. Na me hodi wo mo ayida no. Me twi me range over papa bia. Yes ade na wo twi range over. Wagimi jimi. Waja 5K the trick was a cock and hold. Maintain composure easy. And so no the Dubai. Me no kase the Dubai. When I'm here me no kase cock and hold no cock and hold bi. Oko Dubai. And you may hold Dubai. Eti mo Basintale social media hono mo nko we wato Jeep. Brand new Jeep or the Basintale abo achiri. They say what shada ba twitwi moto no a no agya akotwi Jeep. Basintale. Ase wo de minimum ase. O ba me hunu mi suro kapra. One person akura mi suro. Now we almost feed we go say one video as a political power. And funny enough, you never win the election we are. Now we 2016. Say an MPP for the budget so. Say we win we say a rob budget so. Okatakyie the people will mind you again. And that's what political power is. Now after a year, reality was set in. The people will no longer fall for the gimmicks. And Basintale you will be exposed. The way you not some you could command the channel. In 2016, Samuel Oku was commanding the grounds more than you. Onukwa wanfa Jimmy say, and Samuel Oku commanded why. And Basintale Swenyansa. Many of Kumanu Swenyansa. Who Jimmy Dodo? Ampo. Now Jimmy, no, it will come back and bite you. Because as a political power, you are one of the first people that the other party will target, and you can't run. They will make an example out of you, and is that what you want? Basintale, young man, fine guy, potential, heavy. Because of a personality, I mean the personality natural. And when you've gotten the attention of the masses. 5K men, cock and hold. Why not? You know, be immune to two. Cock and hold. You know, let me tell you, near me, you know, any panasmo kind, they make sense to me. Also, why you win. Either say, Wokowa, or Mobaya, or you to the booby, and I'll be the two ball. Or the ball, or who the booby, I bet you what to. Any one of them, what have you done? You've not won. And it made sense. But you pay for it. Exactly. Afenra yako by many of Basintale say and never know kasi wadwane ko Dubai. Basintale dwane ko Dubai. Enra number 640. Ma menchire what the flight number nyina me be kire. Na Basintale we a young man. O ba me hu. Me no dey wie show bia na ekotena semis. Na ma to am yedi. Basintale me ka bibia kire onyame na ehira wo na wanya the grassroots of the party. So much you. We a young man. So when you Jimmy no Jimmy no fire. Power will change hands. Fire. And you will be so sorry. Political power bomb on somewhere. As if the whole world belongs to you. Sana me go for the you. MVP say ya omuye Jimmy some say ya ka obi am when Jimmy say ya said Basintale people are feeding your ego. 5,000 men, 3,000 men. Yeah, why do you see Jimmy, young guy, 31 or 7 years? When you have a long way to go in politics, you have more than 40 years to spend in politics, and within that 40 years, power best. And you mustn't tell Jimmy or Jimmy if power changes, you cannot live in this country. Exactly. So, Jimmy,
More fire.
Oh, him that.
We are young guy, Jimmy.
More fire.
Say, I'm MPP for you. But you see, Kofi, and you don't make them come out. Youth of this nation, they think it's a political violence and an election violence. That's why I was so west. So NDC is changing the narrative. NDC may not look as though political violence, you know, you see in Rano, a retaliation of Iowa West, and your retaliation of Iowa West, and you want Muchimi and the Biomuchimi.
Tell them.
And Iowa West, it was MPP retaliating what the NDC have been doing over the years. And I'll run you from 1992. And 1992, the Orekwamo Famo, the Oforiatamo, Daniel Oforiatamo, the Susudis Muyen Wuchibi, El Chroma 1992. I'm running to my mom party this year. And I won't come here. Miami Chroma Santiago 1996. There was a whole hijack. Commander Griffiths and a Chamating. I see a four. And a Munshia. And so the youth thinks that MPP, the and when they started with political violence. Mumusa sa wani chief so far azoka. So far azoka no yede o no for. Mumusa ene e be kire mu ni nyina. Na mo be kai akufo adu make statement bi say ye kire wo mu bibi kakra bi watiwa. So because I kire mu a na che say mo intimidate o mo che. Ana duru ba bi no mo say ye be kire mu bibi kakra bi watiwa. Sadi akwatia be ya esi watiwa akwatia be atiwa e be sa si. Ko se wonu na NDC na sha ase. Ana jo mama so obey research and you be this sound common about you know you be this sound common you be this sound common about balance by election and then this is she woman every woman they say this very violent party so na akwatia de MPP, Mr. General Secretary, just because we are me and me, I will support you any day, anytime, against anyone. But what's not me, Kobuya Kotia, or be a from national headquarters, Mr. The last person, you go. Someone to me, I'm prepared crowds. And yet, a crowd near cry, and near Jatu, behind the Greek. No moment, someone to me, I'm prepared. No moment, NDC wants to succumb us. If Sadia more person, we say total succumbent. Tienye, MPP for some minimum. At the end of Mama, come and see and run. It's a very defeatist mindset. See, I just say, or more plan is on Babuye. No more by an American big Jina 1 year, any idea. Hey, Eddie, Obakuan Wakon Conswa. Memo Semina Bakubi, Naneska, Walker said, Amrante, a drum with the Anomina, Obiana Berman Chobia. Then when did Ja? Me were boys book, Massy, a boys be, Memo Bakuni, it's a Bakuno leader. Enra, of course, we could get these boys onto the grounds and nothing will happen. Crazy. By the Ja. It's a code as ASAP before see a beko a year quatia. Near and me and galvanize your boys back into the fold. They say at the end to trust the police, then to trust the military. If so, Manabua man and I guess all year you should military. It's Yababoya mobile. It is the anti me and prepare. No more could you fire so quatia. Mr. From the general secretary to the last person will be a free political party headquarters. I'm telling you, when you're ready, somebody. And we must lead like men.
Precisely.
The free be threat of force. It's now when America for you, now Russia for you, now China for you. It is a Bakum person, it is also a weapon of mass destruction. Now, so will be a young you see again. If so, pressing with you, I'm a pressman, yes. Young, 1 year, Yet me Basintale Kwasiawi. Akala we to be here and I Basintale baby as oh who dear ben na mo timi atna ma we mu hwemra we mo yinifiso me ana minipa no fi yinifiso no ye o jimi dodo eti general secretary the boys must come back on track Quincy Momo Musa be fire so wakotia. Miss Munina Moba Soria free. National and I'm telling you. That one I'm telling you. Momo Muchi fire swakotia. And I know someone fire swakotia. Yen in Pentecoa. Nemum D. If said one way any total coming and in the minds, they are reorienting your people that MPP is a weak party. And then most of our be actually say we shall go to Okatakyie and we shall put the diamond on the ring. Okay.
More fire.
Now you're free woman Kofi.
Now your mama comments. When you say mobilization free for Africa, what is your take on this issue? How you Penyah block media?